Hello everybody and welcome back. So it's been a little while since I've posted any videos, and the reason is, one, I wanted to take a little break over Christmas, which is fine. I think everybody should take a break, especially over Christmas, because it's never actually that much of a holiday. You're always still super busy. And the other reason is because I've just been so busy with the business, and our customers come first, and YouTube, I'm afraid, kind of has to take a little bit of a back seat when things like that happen. So we're so busy at the moment. I'm kind of pulling long shifts. I work a part-time job as well in the afternoon, so I'm working from maybe 8 in the morning till 7 o'clock at night between two jobs. And I'm not complaining because, you know, why would you complain when your own business is doing really well? I'm not complaining. But I am super busy. So I would still like to get YouTube videos out, even if it's just one every 2 weeks, or even at a push one a month. And I'll just make them slightly longer videos and try and fill them up with information. So I've got some stuff to do this week. It's Sunday today and I am gonna do some work, but just a little bit of work. I'm gonna try and do one hat so I've got less hats to do on Monday morning. But then I'm gonna chill out the rest of the day because it's Sunday. Probably shouldn't work on a Sunday because you'll just, you know, burn yourself out. But I have exciting stuff coming up. I'm gonna talk to you about that in a little bit because, you know, it's quite exciting. You guys out there that are always asking me questions on how to burn hats and things are gonna absolutely love this. So let's do some work first and I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm just about to go ahead and order up some packaging. So some of you have left me comments, I don't know if it was YouTube or if it was on Facebook or something, about, actually a couple of people messaged me on Etsy, how do you package your hats? And it was just so they could figure out how to package their own hats, which is fine, but I'd rather it wasn't on Etsy. But to answer that question, I use boxes. I just use regular cardboard boxes that are a size small, so a small package. You might be different in whatever country it is that you're in. I'm in the UK, in Scotland, and I use a small package. Let me see what the size is on it. I think it's about 45 by 35 by 15, I think. And I can send that as a small package in the UK to anywhere in the UK, which is great. I try and keep everything as kind of eco-friendly and biodegradable as I can, but some of the packages, if I've had plastic in one of the boxes when I've done like a bulk order of hats, then I might use that for padding out boxes so that your hats are protected. I use a cardboard box, I wrap them in recycled paper, I use recycled tape with them. Any of the stickers that I put in are on recycled paper as well. And the only thing I do put in that is plastic, unless it's like extra packaging, is I've got these little plastic round balls that I blow up that sit inside the bottom of the hat that kind of protects the shape of it a bit, which is awesome. I think they're really cool. So you just kind of blow them up and then they go whoo, like a little pillow. And the other thing I use is fragile tape. Now it's only happened once in the year that we've been running this business, but one person got their hat and it was completely squashed. Luckily, the hats can be molded back into shape, which is great. But I then started using fragile tape on it as well, because as soon as I hand it over to the post office, they are then responsible to get it to you guys in the condition that I've sent it in. And sometimes, you know, that doesn't happen with packages. So I've done everything I can my end to keep them as they are when I send them in bloody good condition. But like I said, that's only happened once. But there you go. So cardboard boxes, small package. It really depends on your hats. Mine fit into a small box. And I try and keep everything as biodegradable as I can, except that little pillow that goes in there. So yeah, thought I'd answer that while I'm writing things down so I can go ahead and order some packaging. Hello! So first of all, I've been working on a new design with vinyl on a suede hat. Very cute, thinking I might do these in red and gold and black and gold and pop them in the shop. Absolutely love it. This is my design, my roses, and then it's done in vinyl, which is really cool. So I want to show you that. I've got my hair tied up, but I want to kind of pull it down a bit. It's very cool, right? Look at how shiny it is. So earlier on in the video, I told you I had some exciting news. Now, if you'll have seen the video that was out on Wednesday, you'll already know, but in case you missed it, I have taken out an ebook. The ebook is The Beginner's Guide to Hat Burning. It's 52 pages. It also has all the links that you need for each of the items and tools to go along with the process. So if you're interested in that, that will be down below in the description as well as in the comments. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you do wish so. Nobody is forcing you. And thanks guys for coming and hanging out. I will see you soon. Also, the ebook is at a discounted price. Just to let you guys know, it is cheap at the moment. I'd love your feedback on it, and then the price will go up, but grab it while you can, while it's cheap.